What if AI agents could help you optimize energy use and cut waste across your operations? With Cognite Atlas AI, that's not just possible, it's practical. AI agents help end users, solution builders, and data managers automate tasks, make faster decisions, and modernize workflows. Atlas AI is a low-code agent workbench built on AI-ready industrial data to optimize throughput, reduce downtime, and improve efficiency. In this series, we show how agents running on a trusted and secure industrial data foundation automate critical tasks and shorten time to insight. Imagine you're a sustainability manager. You're running two compressors side by side. Both are underloaded, and one is wasting energy by recycling. The obvious fix is to shift everything to a single compressor. But before you act, you need to be sure it's a safe and reliable choice. First, you open Cognite Charts, a no-code industrial analytics application. You open the energy optimization agent and ask it to pull the design capacity data and relevant operational data for both compressors. The agent surfaces the data and you add the flow rates to your chart for analysis. Next, you ask the agent to add the ideal flow rate for each compressor as a benchmark. For clarity, it adjusts the chart to show a single reference line for ideal flow. You then ask the agent to add the recycle flow for both compressors so you can calculate useful flow and energy performance against design capacity. Within seconds, the agent sifts through thousands of contextualized data points, running calculations that would normally take hours. It explains that the first compressor is operating within expectations, while the second is inefficient, running below design flow and experiencing energy spikes. The agent recommends shutting down the second compressor, since the first can meet the plant's demand alone. You interrogate the data further, asking how much energy could be saved by switching to a single compressor. The agent provides a detailed scenario to review, providing insights you'd normally spend days piecing together. Based on the analysis, you conclude that consolidating load onto one compressor will save significant energy. But before you act, you need to run a safety check and confirm that no maintenance work is planned on either unit. This is to ensure a smooth rebalance and avoid changing a compressor that's already scheduled for repair. The agent checks for work orders and confirms that no maintenance jobs are scheduled. Finally, you ask the agent to prepare a notification for a risk assessment. It provides guidance and reminds you to log the change in your CMMS to coordinate with maintenance. In minutes, you've identified wasted energy, calculated savings, and confirmed a safe optimization path without writing a single line of code. Using Cognite Data Fusion with Atlas AI, this same approach scales easily to other assets and scenarios. To learn how Cognite Atlas AI can transform your operations and to see more AI agents in action, explore our website or contact us for a personalized demo and start your journey toward a more efficient and predictive future today.